CD number 4. In the series of motivation talks of journalist Mr. Sharad Bokar at various places, Paul K. Master was one of the characters in his talk, held at Hotel Amarpreet, Jalna Road, Aurangabad, where Sri S.L. Jadhav, Chief Engineer, Public Works Department, Aurangabad, and his officers were present. After the talk of Mr. Bokar on the topic of Paul K. Master, Sri S.L. Jadhav got up from his seat as decided by him to be present for the talk for an hour only because of his pre-scheduled meeting. But he was supposed to say something as he was the chief guest on the occasion. Mr. Jadhav stood and said that he liked the subject very much and that he had heard the motivator Sri Shiv Khera as well. The subject of Mr. Bokar seems to be more generous and beautiful in its look, and it touches to the heart than that the subject of Shiv Khera ji, he continued. He said, Mr. Bokar's talks are lively and more healthy in its spirit. In the gathering, there were officers from other government organizations, industries, and MIDC. Among those were Dr. Subhash Mane, Divisional Joint Registrar of Cooperative Societies, Sri S.R. Chaugule, Superintendent Engineer, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, Sri S.B. Kolapkar, Joint Director of Industrial Safety and Health, together with Sri H.M. Asarkar and Sri D.E. Sonwane, both Deputy Directors of Industrial Safety and Health, and from PWD Department, Sri A.A. Tarate, Superintendent Engineer, Sri N.A. Nerka, Executive Engineer, Sri B.B. Maske, Executive Engineer, Sri S.V. Salunke, Assistant Chief Engineer, PWD, and so on. Such type of Mr. Bokar's motivation talks had been held in central and state government offices, including industries of repute such as Tata's, Birla's, Exide Batteries, Mahindra and Mahindra, and in organizations such as NERI, MIDC, Railway, Tarapur Power Station, Civil Defence College, Port Trust, and so on. Following is a talk of journalist Sharad Bokar under the heading Paul K. Master in Hindi, held at Aurangabad.
पोल के मास्टर की परिभाषा ही एक शासक से, उसके कर्मचारी से लगी है. इन इंग्लिश, मास्टर मीन्स a owner and a worker who is working for a master is a person who works as per the whim and wishes, as per his ideas. पोल के मास्टर और मास्टर बोले कि एक सशक्त व्यक्ति अपने हाथ में छड़ी, केन, एक हाथ लकड़ी लेकर एक शिशु को, बालक को पढ़ाता हो, यह जानकारी हमारे मस्तिष्क में आ जाती है. पोल के मास्टर भी इस तरह के एक व्यक्तित्व मेरे सामने 20 साल पहले आए. पोल के मास्टर की कल्पना दूसरे पोस्टमास्टर या मास्टर से बिल्कुल विपरीत थी. पोल के मास्टर अपने घर से निकले कि उनके चलने में एक लचक थी। मालूम नहीं कि चलते चलते लोग उनको नमस्कार चमत्कार क्यों दिखाते थे। ये पोल के मास्टर का कर्तृत्व मेरे ध्यान में एक बार रास्ते पे आया। इस साधारण व्यक्ति को कार से जाने वाला व्यक्ति भी नमस्कार क्यों करता है, इस पर मेरी जानकारी लेने की एक शिक्षा शुरू होगी। मैं पोल के मास्टर के साथ साथ उनके उस परिक्षेत्र में गया जहां वो मास्टर करके कार्य करते थे। पोल के मास्टर अपने कुर्सी पे बैठ गए कि कुर्सी में बैठते ही पूरा हॉल पूरा हुआ, काम करने का जगह शांत सी हो जाती थी। फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद पोल के मास्टर ही किसी विषय को लेके बात शुरू कर देते थे, तब उन लोगों का काम शुरू होता था। पोल के मास्टर का विद्वत्ता की कल्पना करना हमारे विचार से कहीं गुना अधिक है। पोल के मास्टर के सभी विषय पक्के थे। गणित, साइंस, सोशियोलॉजी, हिस्ट्री, साइकोलॉजी, सोशल साइंस, समाज की वो कल्पना जहां किसी विषय ने अभी तक के जन्म तक नहीं लिया।